Hey guys, welcome back to Golden Off-Road. My name is Sergio here at Golden Motors, the Southeast's largest lifted truck dealership. Today we have the stunning Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4x4 being built out today. This Jeep will have the Rough Country's 2.5-inch suspension lift that includes the front and rear coil springs with a linear coil rate that promotes incredible handling while retaining more lift height under load than other designs for an impressive ride quality both on and off-road. This Jeep is also sporting fuel Covert's D696 17x9s with 37 12x50 Mastercraft MXTs. This spectacular Jeep is also protected by Body Armor's front bumper that covers the full width. The Jeep also has Rough Country's Jeep third brake light relocation kit. For more information on this Jeep, please visit our website at goldenmotorsonline.com or give us a call at 803-808-5235. Again guys, if you like this Jeep build, let us know by leaving a comment down below. If you have something that you're thinking about doing, like a lift kit or needing kind of assistance, give us a call at 803-808-5235. We're not just a dealership, we're a full custom shop too. Look us up and let us know what you want to do and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for another video.